Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message low volume. Let's get started. First, make sure your media volume is turned up. While playing a voice message, use your volume up button to increase the sound. Remember, WhatsApp voice message use media volume, not call volume, so make sure it's not muted or set to low. Next, try listening through your speaker and earpiece. Sometimes dust or dirt blocks the speaker grill, making the sound quieter. Gently clean it using a soft brush or cloth. If voice message suddenly gets quiet when you move the phone, it might be switching to earpiece mode. Keep your phone slightly away from your ear to use the loudspeaker. Also, make sure Bluetooth is turned off. Sometimes audio gets sent to a paired device instead. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.